If you're struggling to focus, this brief technique is my go-to for those times that I need to get things done, but my brain is prone to wander. So wherever you are, find a comfortable seat, maybe closing the eyes, beginning with a few slow breaths in and out, signaling to the body, the nervous system that you're okay. And then see if you can take one breath, one inhale, one exhale with your full attention. Giving yourself completely over to that next cycle of breath. And after that exhale, not worrying if you did it right or if you wandered off, just observing what happened. Taking a moment to take the boundaries off the mind, just let it run free. And then trying for 3 rounds of breath. Full attention, full awareness. Counting the breaths to yourself. Trying to register nothing else in this moment, but just this. Beginning when you're ready, 3 breaths. No matter whether you got to all 3 or not, just letting it go. Try not to pass any judgment, create any stories about it. Just let the mind now wander free once more. And depending on how the first 2 exercises went, you might go back to taking 1 full breath with full presence. You might try for 3 again, or maybe going for 5. So last time through, whatever number you choose, it's not a competition. You're not a better person if you do 5 versus 1, but building up that focus muscle. Okay, so choosing your number, beginning when you're ready. If you made it all the way without getting distracted, good for you. If you got distracted, good for you. So the practice is just showing up again and again, trying over and over to stay here. And let's close with one last slow breath in together. That generous breath out. And blinking the eyes open and shut when you're ready, finding a little bit of movement. And thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time.